Hi everyone, I'm Eunice over here, and if you like to keep treasures, we have a very remarkable project here in the east of District 16.
Welcome to Mega Mixed Development eCO by reputable developer Far East Organisation. It is one of the best stack and facing that you can find from this project. You only get two views, either facing the magnificent pool view or get blocked by Bedok Court. Located along Bedok South Avenue 3, eCO is 99 years leasehold project and it is completed in 2017. This project has a total of 714 units, which consists of 8 private condominium blocks and landed townhouses. Residents can enjoy main facilities such as 2 recreational pools, 2 50-meter lap pools, BBQ Dining Pavilion, Clubhouse, commercial shops, and many more. It will only take you 6 minutes walk to get to Tanah Merah MRT. The nearest bus stop is just right outside the side gate. Within 2 minutes walk, you can find coffee shops at Block 46 and travel another 2 minutes walk, you will find the famous Block 55 Wet Market and Hawker Centre and NTUC Fair Price Supermarket here.
And we have a very low entry 1+ study 549 square feet to show you today. Let's head up to the unit. And we have a very remarkable 1+ study found in the link description below. 我这样看你看不到。Give you a very good TV to sofa distance. I think 要重读，因为我 TV to sofa。Entering the unit, you will never expect this 1+ study living area is of a similar or even bigger than a 2-bedroom living area space. You can see over here, the TV to the sofa distance is very large. It's almost like a 2-bedroom, and then you get a lower entry price. The good thing is that it actually links to the balcony over here. So I will open up the door and you can actually lead to a very beautiful balcony that you can actually do the decking all the way to the end, and you can put your living area space or extend all the way to the balcony. So come in over here and see. So because you have a full height balcony door over here, you can actually get ample natural ventilation, natural sunlight all the way into your own home. So the best thing is you can do zip track curtains, which it will be over here in the video, and then you can enclose it nicely while looking at the pool view.
This unit is 549 square feet, comes with 1 master bedroom, 1 master bathroom, study room, an open kitchen concept, a spacious living and balcony where you can enjoy a nice pool view. When we purchase projects by prestigious developer, we can expect this: marble flooring for the whole living floor area and parquet flooring for the bedrooms. Moving on, this open kitchen concept serves a good safety measure as it uses induction hob instead of a usual burner hob. Towards the study room, you can find the washer plus dryer machine tucked into the cabinets to allow more usable space into the unit. You can design this study room into your own walk-in wardrobe, an entertainment corner, or even a pets corner if you have any pets. By the way, eCO is only 1 MRT stop and you get to Bedok MRT where you can shop at Bedok Mall and Bedok Integrated Complex conveniently. eCO is only 400 meters away from Tanah Merah MRT, and we can expect a brand new integrated project, Seneca Residences, with commercial shops, bus interchange, and a 24/7 hours linkway to Tanah Merah MRT station. It is also conveniently located with plenty of amenities such as Singapore Expo, Changi Airport, just to name a few. What's more, East Coast Park is close to 1 km away, which is perfect for your leisure time there during weekends. As for families with children, the prestigious Temasek Primary School, Top 36, is only within 1 km radius. Within 2 km, the renowned Red Swastika School, Top 27, and Yuneng Primary School, Top 46, is only a few bus stops away.
我在看这边的facing，这个facing超级好啊，风水太好了，这边就是蛮向南的 ，good towards the south。
很久喂，快点嘞！
啊 ，OK， 我请你吃，来，我们现在去这个 Grab Food。说这里啊，蛮多东西吃的，有麦当劳，有扬州炒饭，那个 Four Finger， 有米粉。你要吃哪一个？你要中餐、西餐还是什么餐？
Did you know that you're purchasing an undervalued project within the Tanah Merah MRT vicinity? For 1+ study similar size unit, we have Seneca Residences, may easily cost 1.239 million at 538 square feet, as there are already successful new sales on the 14th of January 2023 at 2,302 per square feet. For resale projects, Urban Vista, 11 years old at 560 square feet, it is transacted at 945k at 1,688 per square feet. Next, we have The Glades, 10 years old at 592 square feet, it is transacted at 1.035 million at 1,748 per square feet. What's the selling price right here? For this layout at 549 square feet, only at 880,000, it is only at 1,602 per square feet. Based on this comparison, eCO is the youngest mega development with full condo facilities and yet the lowest entry price. The average price per square feet difference between the above projects is a merely $300 per square feet.
Finally, introducing the master bedroom. Over here is my favorite part of the house because you get very spacious room that you can fit 2 single bed or a king-size bed.
The master bedroom has a flushed-in wardrobe which gives you the maximum space of what you can do in a bedroom. This unit is selling as vacant possession and you can purchase and move in immediately or to do simple carpentry renovation. The master bathroom finishings is original from developer, but the owner has maintained it well. eCO is also close proximity to the upcoming mega transformation of Changi Terminal 5, which ensures a steady demand which creates opportunity for future potential capital of appreciation.
Alright, we come to the end of the home tour, and if you like this move-in condition vacant possession property, feel free to contact me. Once again, I'm Eunice from Property 65. We uplift your home property value, and please remember to click like, subscribe and follow us on all social media platforms, link in the description box below. I'll see you!